Latest developments now on the Rhode Island DMV's first day running its new computer system. We've been tracking the run-up to the system's launch now for weeks, and we found plenty of people, as you can see right here, lined up bright and early, even though advance reservations were required. We even found one person who had been there since 2:30 this morning. So how did day one go? Eyewitness News reporter Abby Burke fills us in now from the newsroom. Abby?
Mike, it was a rare sight at the DMV today. People actually smiling. Today was the first day the agency started doing business with its brand new computer system, and both the DMV and customers were pleased with its launch. A much different sight at the DMV in Cranston today compared to last week.
It was shot. Before last week, it was a line until this, like all the way back there.
After a short holiday break, the DMV coming back online with a brand new computer system. Wanting to ease into things, the DMV chose to only open the Cranston office and required customers to have reservations.
It's definitely way more sufficient to do it this way. I like the appointments, you're in and out.
Now serving 2020.
Very, very, very quick.
The reservation system and the computer system are working as well as we had hoped. People are literally flowing right through the building. 10-15 minutes they're coming back out. The
smooth launch means more reservation slots could be opened up in the next few days, but the true test will be next Thursday when the Woonsocket and Middletown offices open their doors, and 3 branches will be accessing the system.
This computer system really is the foundation of the DMV. And from this, we can build on our operations.
I think it was great. It took me literally 15 minutes or something. Went in, went out, all set.
Online reservations will be required at those offices as well until July 17th. Then walk-in customers will be served again, but the DMV is hopeful that the new computer system will be more efficient and keep those wait times to a minimum. Meanwhile, many of the people who had appointments today said they wish the DMV took reservations all the time. And we just learned just a few minutes ago that the DMV is going to add 30% more reservation slots because of how smoothly things went today. Live in the newsroom, Abby Burke, Eyewitness News.